And then people look at extrovert and introvert, especially introvert, and this is what makes me giggle. No one tries to say fix being an introvert, being an extrovert, but they always try to fix being an introvert. You know, have you noticed that? And the downside is that we try to pigeonhole ourselves. If an extrovert has a really, really bad day, they hide in themselves. They will literally just go, everything's going wrong, woe is me. They get depressed and they hide in and they become into an introvert status. And if an introvert suddenly the following day wins $500 billion on the mega ball, they suddenly become a party hound. So it's not a case of just going, this is your box, this is where you stay. Because on a day-to-day basis, you're like the ocean. You move. Now, when the ocean's calm, you will revert back to wherever you are on that scale. Mildly extroverted, incredibly extroverted, mildly introvert, excessively introvert. The point is, what you've been given, you need to work with. And and you've actually pulled it up there perfectly. I personally think introverts have it better than extroverts. You see, as an extrovert, they want one thing. They want the center of attention, okay? They want people to look at them. They want to entertain. They would walk into a crowded room, strip off their clothes if everyone would watch them. But an introvert, and this is where you can validate this, so I'm putting you on the spot. You said that when you go to conferences and people share your room, okay? Why are you at that conference?
Well, normally speaking or the brand or networking, learning.
Okay.
Whatever.
There's a purpose.
Yeah.
That's the key there. An introvert will look at the opportunity. Now, as I say, I'm on stage a lot, and I've got a funny story about one of my stage gigs in a second. I speak on a lot of stages. I think last year I spoke on, I think it was like 30 stages. This year so far, I think I've got booked up like 16 stages. So, and I'm literally flying all over the planet on big stages. I've done CEO board meetings for like 15 people, and I've done 15,000 theaters. So it varies a lot. But the thing is, I look at it and go, okay, what's the benefit of me being on that stage? And I've turned down stage gigs because they're not my people. I don't have the message that I can benefit with it. So an introvert looks and calculates, what's the point of me being here? Now, you've already said you go to the conference because it helps you with your brand. It helps you to network. You're speaking there. There's a purpose. So these introverts that are there going, oh, I can't do these things. You can when you add the purpose to it.